In this tutorial, we'll show you one of the easiest ways to import Excel files into R using the readxl package. We'll be working with RStudio, a program that makes it easier to work with R. I'll leave a link to the RStudio download page in case you don't have it installed on your computer. To get started, we need to install the Tidyverse packages, which include readxl. If you've already done this, you can skip ahead to the next chapter on importing your Excel file into R. If you haven't already installed this package, type the following in the RStudio console: install.packages, open bracket, double quotation marks, Tidyverse, close quotation marks, close brackets. Then select the Enter key on your keyboard. Don't worry if it takes the packages a few minutes to load. I already have the Tidyverse installed, so I'm not showing you this step on screen. Once you've installed the Tidyverse, you can import your Excel files into R. This is super easy in RStudio. Go to the top right panel of RStudio and ensure that the Environment tab is selected. Click Import Dataset and select From Excel ... from the drop-down menu. This brings out the Import Excel data window. Click the Browse button to locate the Excel file you want to import. Once you find it, double-click it. Once you've selected your file, you'll see a preview of the first few rows of your dataset under Data Preview. Under File/URL, you'll see the location and name of your Excel file. Under Import Options, you'll see the name that R will give to your dataset. This will usually be the name of your Excel file. You can edit it if you want to give your file a different name. Next, you'll see the name of the Excel worksheet to be imported into R. If your Excel file has multiple sheets, you can choose the one that you want using the drop-down menu. Ensure that the first row as names box is checked if the first row of your Excel file contains your variable names. Under Code Preview, you'll also see the R code for importing the Excel worksheet. If you're happy with everything, click the Import button. After importing your data, it's a good idea to review it. RStudio will display the first few records in the top left panel. You can use the scroll bar to view the other records. You can also check the data types for your imported data by typing the following in the console: head, open brackets, your data, close bracket. Just replace your data with the name of your dataset. Our dataset is called exam_scores, so we'll type head, open bracket, exam_scores, close bracket. I'm just going to type this into the console and then select the Enter key on my keyboard. The head command that we have just run displays the first 6 records of your data frame. We can see that our example contains 2 types of data. DBL is numeric data and CHR is character data in the form of text strings. Also, under the Environment tab in the top right panel, we see some information about the dataset. TBL_DBF means that our dataset has been imported as a type of data frame called the tibble. Our example dataset contains 30 observations of 3 variables. So once you've successfully imported your Excel file into R, you can analyze your data. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials.